Take a ride in the 2022 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, LED headlights, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, Bluetooth. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.